I'm about to reveal the critical security threats targeting Pi users right now that could wipe out your entire wallet in seconds, plus the shocking price movements that nobody is talking about. You know what? The Pi Core team just issued an emergency warning that every single pioneer must know about. And I'm going to break down everything you need to protect yourself and your investment in the next few minutes. Honestly, I've been in this space for years, and I've never seen scammers get this sophisticated with their attacks on our community. Before we dive deep into these game-changing updates, make sure you follow my Telegram and Facebook pages. The links are right there in the description below. You know what? I share exclusive Pi network insights and breaking news that you won't find anywhere else. So hit those links now and stay ahead of the curve while others are still in the dark. Trust me, the information I share there has saved many pioneers from making costly mistakes. Here's what's happening that has the entire Pi community on high alert, and frankly, it's got me worried too. You know what? Pi Network just sent out an urgent reminder about wallet security and two-factor authentication protection that every pioneer needs to hear. The team is warning users about sophisticated phishing schemes that are specifically targeting Pi holders, and these scammers are getting smarter every day. You know what? They're creating fake websites and emails that look exactly like official Pi communications, and pioneers are falling for these tricks and losing their entire wallets. I'll be honest with you. I've seen this happen to people I know personally, and it's heartbreaking because there's absolutely nothing that can be done to recover those funds. The Pi Core team is directing everyone to only trust two-factor authentication emails coming from official Pi addresses like noreply@pi.email. You know what? This isn't just another routine security reminder. This is happening because phishing attacks are ramping up, and scammers are specifically targeting our community with increasingly sophisticated methods. The Pi Safety Center has become your lifeline for verified information, and you absolutely must bookmark this resource if you haven't already. In my opinion, this is the smartest move Pi Network has made, centralizing all security information in one trusted location because, let's face it, misinformation spreads faster than wildfire in crypto communities. Let me paint you a picture of what's really at stake here and why this keeps me up at night sometimes. You know what? Pi wallets are completely non-custodial, which means you are the bank, you are the security system, and you are responsible for protecting your private keys and passphrases. Unlike your regular bank account, there's no customer service number to call, no way to reverse transactions, and no insurance if something goes wrong. You know what? One single mistake, like entering your passphrase on a fake website, and your entire Pi holdings could disappear forever with absolutely no way to get them back. This is both the beauty and the curse of decentralized finance. Complete freedom comes with complete responsibility. The warning from a Pi network highlighted the most dangerous threats right now, and I want to add my own observations here. You know what? Fake websites that look identical to official Pi sites, scam mobile apps that mirror the real Pi app, and deceptive emails that seem to come directly from the Pi team. These criminals are getting more creative, and they're specifically studying our community to create more convincing traps. You know what? What really concerns me is how they're exploiting people's excitement about Pi's progress. They know pioneers are eager for updates, so they create fake good news emails that lead to phishing sites. It's psychological manipulation at its worst. You know what? Now let's talk about something that might surprise you. The current price action, and honestly, it's not what most people expected. You know what? While everyone's focused on security, Pi's market performance has been incredibly quiet. As of September 6th, Pi was trading at $0.3421, showing a slight decline of 0.7% in 24 hours according to CoinMarketCap. The token's trading range has been extremely narrow, reaching a high of $0.3489 and a low of $0.3419. You know what? In my experience, this kind of tight consolidation usually means something bigger is brewing. Markets don't stay this calm forever. This tight price movement is telling us something important. And I have my own theory about what's happening. You know what? The market is in a consolidation phase, sitting near the bottom of its chart, far from those earlier highs around $3 that many of us remember. Daily trading volume has stayed steady between $24 million and $30 million, which signals consistent participation but no strong momentum from either buyers or sellers. You know what? This suggests that traders are waiting on the sidelines for new developments before making major moves. Personally, I think this is actually healthy. We needed this cooling off period after all the initial hype. From a technical analysis perspective, the indicators are painting an interesting picture that most people are misinterpreting. You know what? The relative strength index shows Pi moving in or near oversold territory, while the moving average convergence divergence displays a flat pattern indicating limited momentum in either direction. Market analysts are describing this current phase as consolidation at low levels, influenced by broader economic factors and ongoing regulatory uncertainty in the digital asset space. You know what? Here's my take. Oversold conditions often present the best buying opportunities, but only if you believe in the long-term vision, which I personally do. But here's what this really means for you as a Pi pioneer, and why I'm still optimistic despite the current price action. The combination of heightened security warnings and quiet trading reflects Pi Network's focus on strengthening its community while facing the challenge of regaining momentum after earlier declines. From my experience, this kind of consolidation is normal. Projects that focus on fundamentals during quiet periods often come back stronger. Pi's large community remains its biggest strength, but long-term success depends on real-world adoption, ecosystem growth, and trust. For now, the top priority is clear. Protect your credentials because you can recover from price drops, but not from losing your entire wallet to scammers. Patience is key. The asset is still finding its footing, and this calm phase may be exactly what's needed before the next big move. The key is staying informed, staying secure, and staying connected to reliable sources of information. You know what? I've seen projects come back from much worse positions than Pi is in right now. The difference is always community strength and real-world utility. This brings us back to why following official channels and staying educated is so crucial right now, especially in times like these. You know what? The Pi Safety Center should be your go-to resource for all verified information, official announcements, and security guidance. Don't rely on random social media posts or unofficial websites for critical information about your investment. You know what? I've made it my mission to verify everything I share with you because I know how much you've invested. Not just money, but time and hope in this project. If you found this breakdown valuable and want to stay ahead of every Pi Network development, smash that like button right now and subscribe with notifications turned on. You know what? I'm constantly monitoring Pi Network updates, price movements, and security developments to bring you the most important information first. Drop a comment below letting me know what Pi Network topic you want me to cover next. And don't forget to check out my Telegram and Facebook pages linked in the description for exclusive content you won't find anywhere else. You know what? Your engagement helps me understand what matters most to our community. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrency, and especially with Pi Network, knowledge and security go hand in hand with patience and realistic expectations. You know what? Stay vigilant, stay informed, and protect your digital assets like your financial future depends on it, because it absolutely does. I'm in this journey with you, and I believe Pi Network still has tremendous potential if we can navigate these challenges together. Until next time, keep pioneering safely, and I'll see you in the next update.